This is the Morrocco Method Zero Waste Shampoo Bar. One of these little bars is actually the equivalent of 3 medium-sized shampoo bottles. And they completely eliminate the need for plastic packaging. A single bar could last you an entire trip around the world, making it the perfect travel shampoo. Because Morrocco Method's shampoo bars are made of natural ingredients that are not only better for your hair, but also the planet. These shampoo bars could replace the 552 million shampoo bottles we throw away annually. Plastic packaging accounts for over 80% of litter on the beaches and over 500 tons of plastic floating in our oceans. It is very important for the beauty industry to be eco-conscious. That is why Morrocco Method has created the shampoo bar. This stacking process started over 2,000 years ago and was used throughout the Mediterranean regions. Today, Morrocco Method is using this ancient technique to allow the bars to cure naturally.
I so appreciate this shampoo bar, as it is a very gentle yet thorough clean for my hair. It does not irritate my scalp and it leaves my hair shiny and smooth. Even better, it is a very nice body bar as well. I have very sensitive skin and this bar cleanses without causing irritation or itching. I can't imagine that I will ever want to change.